Kunabantu who were deceived by people like your Enigmas. When he said all the things he said, ungaphuzi cold drink in isihoko in. Now that same person, listen to how dangerous that person's message was, or anyone. Okay, yeah. So even those other ones who are still talking that message, even you, I'm talking about you here. How does a person who works in industry take you serious?
Sure.
How? A person who works with textiles, people who are in South Africa, who have boutique shops, who fly all the way to Italy to get certain fabrics which are rare, made in certain places, perfumes, ingredients, collections, and all those kind of things. How does that person take you serious? Can you
have that capacity of dating the gospel?
It's not possible.
After all these failed prophecies of rapture and everything, umuntu oshumayela about the second coming of Jesus, having a pure message of eschatology, ucabanga ukuthi kusase relevant ukuthi angayishumayela?
Umuntu othi akuna rapture ungamkhulumisi.
Many people who repented in the revelation of Enigma. What do you say about those people?
Judas was amongst the 12.